Welcome to Celebrity Stories. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification.
Dangerous. Even more dangerous, but cooler. Guys, look at this. It's an electric Porsche. Dude, the handle's really cool. The handle's sick. Wow. 2 iPad screens. All right, we're gonna see how fast the new Porsche is in 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit! Holy fuck, bro! That was really fast. Oh, I almost hit you.
Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know
You ride that really well. You want to ride me?
What?
Nothing.
Oh, what are you guys doing?
Oh, Todd, don't post that. Delete that, please.
yeah, every day. To move on and be who I am. Belong here. I hope you understand.
What about us? What about everything we've been through?
What about trust?
Wow.
Guys, look at this. This is Karina's brand new car. Already picking up dudes in it.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Glenn. I came with the car.
Are you confused?
Yes, I would say I'm very confused.
What advice do you have to people that would want a car like this one day?
Be friends with David Dobrik.
Guys, look at this. She just plays video games.
Hey!
Yeah.
With my tits out?
With my tits out. Guys, if you work hard, if you... I couldn't even finish it. Guys, if you look like this...
Work a little bit.
Guys, what the hell is this thing? It looks like a T-Rex mixed with a bee.
Is that your girlfriend? What? Is that your girlfriend? Damn, bro. You hit it. That doesn't even make any sense. What are you doing? Oh my god. Damn, you looking sexy as hell.
Thank you, appreciate that.
You too, Todd. Damn. And Natalie. There's her brain. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Guys, look at this. This dude got a billboard to get my attention because he's trading sand all the way up to Tesla from Elon Musk, and he wants to trade me for his electric guitar. So Isaiah, I'm gonna take you up on your deal. Give me your electric guitar and I'll trade you for something. I just have to figure out what. But it won't be a Tesla because you need to get it from Elon Musk. I'll see you soon. Wake up.
No, I'm naked. Don't do that.
Oh, whoa. Okay.
I can't do it.
Guys, she's putting new pants on. Okay, new pants definitely work.
You're making me nervous. I don't know how to describe it.
Guys, Heidi is one of the hottest bushes in the world. Dude, it's crazy because, you genuinely look really good in it. Oh my god.
Walk with her, David.
No, I don't want to. Look at this. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. That's ridiculous. Oh,
Hey, who you got in the passenger seat? Oh!
Double shot. Give a single shot. Stop here.
Bro, what are you, the fucking president?
Kodiak pancakes with jelly, almond butter, and blueberries. Very good.
I'm gonna burn a man and suck my own dick.
Me too. You got a tree in your food?
you see it? It's a fucking tree. What are you from for?
Wow. Scott, you're a grower, not a shower.
How do you know? What the fuck?
Hi.
Alright guys, we're technically we've taken 2 shots at a time, so we're on our 6th shot. I took 2 before this, so I'm technically on my 8th.
And what are we doing?
Joe's on his 6th.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna drink, and then we're gonna play Call of Duty, and most likely we'll be like, that wasn't enough, and then we'll come back downstairs and drink more, and then I'll leave. That's what happened. I feel it.
You're gonna leave?
Hey. I said I love you.
You love poo? You love poo?
What are you doing? I just have to document this moment because this is the moment that you almost caught Captain Scott. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, there was another spider on my arm. Okay, basically what I was trying to say is I'm very proud of myself for not walking into this spider web, which is huge, and I actually don't know where it ends, but I'm gonna I did it. I escaped. Stop! I have neighbors, Jason! Stop it!